Coffee is a widely consumed beverage known for its stimulating properties and unique flavor. While coffee can have both positive and negative effects on health, its impact varies depending on factors like consumption habits and individual sensitivity. Here are some key points to consider regarding coffee. Caffeine content. Coffee contains caffeine, a natural stimulant that can enhance alertness and concentration. The caffeine content of coffee can vary widely, with different types of coffee and brewing methods resulting in varying levels of caffeine. Potential health benefits. Moderate coffee consumption has been associated with several potential health benefits, including improved cognitive function, increased energy, and a reduced risk of certain diseases. Some studies suggest that coffee may lower the risk of conditions like Parkinson's disease, type 2 diabetes, and certain types of cancer. Antioxidants. Coffee is a source of antioxidants, which can help combat oxidative stress and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. These antioxidants can be particularly abundant in freshly brewed coffee. Potential drawbacks. Excessive coffee consumption, typically more than 3 to 4 cups per day, can lead to negative effects such as increased heart rate, restlessness, and difficulty sleeping. Individual tolerance to caffeine varies. Drinking coffee with added sugars and high-fat creams can contribute to weight gain and other health issues. Individual sensitivity. People have varying sensitivities to caffeine. Some individuals may experience jitters, anxiety, or sleep disturbances with even a small amount of caffeine, while others may tolerate it well. Hydration. Contrary to popular belief, coffee is not dehydrating. While it has a mild diuretic effect, the water content in coffee more than compensates for this effect, making it a hydrating beverage. Brewing methods. The brewing method and the quality of coffee beans can significantly affect the flavor and overall experience. There are various ways to prepare coffee, including drip brewing, espresso, French press, and pour over. Enjoying coffee responsibly. If you enjoy coffee, it's important to do so in moderation and pay attention to how your body responds to caffeine. Consider reducing or avoiding coffee in the afternoon or evening to prevent sleep disturbances. In conclusion, coffee can be a part of a balanced diet for many individuals and may offer certain health benefits when consumed in moderation. However, it's essential to be mindful of your own tolerance and preferences and to avoid excessive sugar and high-fat additives that can diminish its potential benefits. If you have specific concerns about coffee consumption and its impact on your health, consult with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian for personalized guidance.